Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. Oh my goodness, we are into the 20s. It's the 20th of December, which means we only have a few days to go. We get to open up door number 20, which has got, oh look, there was actually a candy cane on the outside of that picture. And lo and behold, there's a candy cane on the inside. So let's build this. It's got a whole heap of cylinders and a whole heap of little Technique plugs. So the connectors that are going to put them together. So basically all I need to make sure is I concentrate on alternating these colors properly and we should be okay. So the black plug goes in between and then we put we put the red one on. Good work. See, I already made a mistake. And then we want to curve. Okay, so we want to curve it around the corner now, which means we need this one. And now we just need the connector, the black to black one there. And look at that! Done! So we've got a candy cane, which I can't eat. Which is a little bit sad, but it is plastic, so I shouldn't even try it. So, but we can hang it on the Christmas tree. It'll go nicely on one of the branches. And for now, I'm just gonna tuck it back here. Maybe there. There we go. Look at that. All right. So that was door number 20. It was too fast, but there's always tomorrow. So I will see you back here tomorrow for the next door. I'll see that we're getting so close.